Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Razer Kiyo, a webcam that promises to revolutionize your video calls and streaming setup. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with design, the Kiyo is sleek and modern, with a versatile clip that can attach to any monitor or be mounted on a tripod. The build quality feels solid, which is always a plus. Now, let's talk performance. The Kiyo boasts 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing sharp video quality for your streams or video calls. The standout feature here is the built-in ring light, which I have to say, works impressively well. It's great for ensuring you're well lit without relying on external lighting setups. However, where the Kiyo falls short is its microphone. It's serviceable for basic use, but serious streamers or remote workers will likely need a dedicated microphone for clearer audio. Setting up the Kiyo is a breeze. It's plug-and-play compatible, and you can fine-tune settings through Razer's software. This allows for customization of the ring light intensity and other features. To sum up, the Kiyo shines with its excellent video quality, sleek design, and that fantastic ring light. However, it's let down by its average microphone and can be a bit pricey compared to other webcams in its category. So, should you buy the Razer Kiyo? If you prioritize video quality and appreciate the convenience of a built-in ring light, absolutely. But if you're looking for top-notch audio as well, you might want to consider pairing it with a dedicated mic. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.